That store-bought face wash on your bathroom shelf might leave your skin feeling clean and fresh, but it often contains chemicals that can strip away natural oils along with impurities. Ingredients added for longer shelf life, fragrance, and foaming can be harsh on your skin over time. Instead, here are some affordable and natural alternatives that deliver outstanding results. Gram flour. Gram flour is a popular natural cleanser in many skincare routines. It not only removes excess oil but deeply cleanses impurities while helping to prevent acne and hyperpigmentation. Rich in nutrients, it revitalizes your skin with every wash. Keep a jar of gram flour handy in the bathroom. Simply take a tablespoon, mix with water to form a paste, and use it as your daily face wash. Fuller's Earth Clay. Ideal for oily skin, Fuller's Earth Clay pulls out excess oil, unclogs pores, and removes impurities. With regular use, it brightens your complexion and evens out skin tone. Mix a tablespoon of Fuller's Earth Clay with water to make a paste. Then apply it like a regular face wash. If you're wearing makeup, use coconut oil as a makeup remover first. Then follow up with the Fuller's Earth Clay for a thorough cleanse. Raw milk. Raw milk is a gentle yet effective cleanser, specially suited for sensitive skin. It thoroughly cleanses while nourishing the skin that helps soothe redness, dryness, and irritation, making it a great choice for acne-prone skin. Apply raw milk directly to your face. Leave it to dry, then rinse off with water. These natural face cleansers are gentle, effective, and chemical free, offering a better way to keep your skin healthy and glowing. Make sure to subscribe for more natural health tips and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. See you next time.